Hi, Jill Brothers and Art here again today. In this video I'll be showing you some classic Christmas illustration techniques that you can use for Christmas cards, wrapping paper, etc. You can either draw these or you can create them with coloured paper or card by breaking down the shapes and cutting them out with coloured paper and reassembling them to make a lovely homemade card. Stay tuned to the end for the gorgeous step-by-step tutorial on how to layer up a gorgeous holiday wreath, and please show your support for this channel by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. Okay, I hope you enjoy. If there's anything you want to know, please leave it in the comments section below, and also leave any suggestions for new videos in the comments below. This is a part 1 video, so we'll be covering some more illustrations in a later video that I'm assembling now. So I'll see you again soon. Hope you enjoy. Bye. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Just to let you know, I'll be putting some of these illustrations on my website for you to download and use for free and copyright free. Just as soon as I've worked out how to do that. At the moment, my website requires me to put in a price and take payment for downloaded products, and I don't want to do that. So as soon as I've worked out how to circumnavigate that little glitch, I will work it out and let you know. So if you subscribe and click the notification bell, you will get notifications in a future video when I've done that. So I just want to tell you about this wreath quickly. This wreath is basically an illustration, obviously, but you could use the same principles and layers and stages to build up either a collage or using coloured paper or card. Or you can also obviously use the same principles for building up a real holiday wreath with your craft supplies that you could hang on your door. And in fact, I was thinking about that and thinking I might even actually do that and put that in a later video. So this is also a reminder to let you know that this is only a part 1 video, and that there will be more videos along these lines coming soon. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you again soon. See you. Bye.